Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to create a user in Active Directory. So Control-Alt-Delete and put in my password to log into the machine. Beauty of Active Directory is it can enable me to log on to any computer in the office as long as I have all the computers joined to a domain controller. So start, and then admin tools, Active Directory, users and computers, continue. So I figure out which container or organizational unit I want that user to be in. Let's just use the user's container. So right click, new, user. And here I put in a first name and middle initial and last name. And then what their logon is. I need a password. The password should be numbers, symbols, upper and lowercase letters. 3 of those 4 is good. I've also got must change password at next logon. I've got user cannot change password. I can't have those together, so I have to uncheck this one and do these 2 together. But that's a bad idea. I can also do account is disabled so that they can't actually log on until I come in and uncheck this. So I'm just going to leave it at must change password at next logon. So next, finish. Now if I want to change this person, I can right click and rename to whatever, but that doesn't really change their logon. Still got the same logon. That's okay. I'm going to right click and go to properties of this person. I can also do some options here with right click, but we're just going to go to properties. Now general, I can have a description, office, so have a description. Maybe a telephone number or an email address. That's we'll say unknown. An account. So this deals with all of their account. This is their logon screens. Logon hours. Let's say, for example, logon is denied on all of these. And then we're going to change to, let's do select all. So now logon is only permitted on Saturdays. Logon is denied all other days. I can have them log on to the following computers and only the following computers. Here's their password options. Various password options. I can lock the account, unlock the account. Profile paths. Well, if I want to store their profile on the server or a one-time logon script every time they log on to their machine, I can put it here. The location of that script, that is. Home folder, that's their local path, or a connect to a network drive. Here's some phone numbers I could put on here. This is their office organization, not their organizational unit in Active Directory, just like where they work at, if they're in sales or whatever. Partitions. There's a lot of terminal services going on here. Terminal services is remote desktop for the domain. It's got a lot more features than just simple remote desktop. And then here's some more remote desktop options for remote controlling the remote desktop option. Here's sessions. This controls what the remote desktop is like when they remote desktop into something. Environment. So this is what more of their remote desktop environment. This is routing and remote access, so when they work from home and they dial in from home or whatever, this handles that. And groups that they may be a member of. So let's say they're a member of the domain admins. I can check names. Yeah, so now suddenly he's a domain admin and all the rights and privileges thereof. So hopefully this has taught you a bit about how to create a user in Active Directory, and now you'll get to use it more often. Thank you.